Let's look at this question. Find the number of integral values of x that satisfy the inequality 22 by x minus 3 into x blah 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 less than or equal to 0. Okay, let's see what all we can do with this. The LHS I can simplify it as 22 plus 12 times of x minus 4. So plus 12x minus 48, and these two terms with 1 plus x square minus 7x plus 12 whole thing divided by x minus 3 x minus 4, and this has to be less than or equal to 0. If I were to cancel stuff out, at the top I'd get x square plus 5x, 22 plus 12 is 34, minus 40 by x minus 3 and x minus 4, and this will simplify to x plus 7 into x minus 2 upon x minus 3 and x minus 4. Okay, so on a graph, the critical points will be 4, 3, 2, and minus 7. 3 cannot be taken because then this would become an undefined function. 4 cannot be taken, then it would become an undefined function. Less than 3, let me take it at 2 because I'm only looking for integral values. If it is 2, it would become 0, so this is counted. At 1, what would happen? At 1, this would turn to positive, 1 plus 8, 1 minus 2 would be negative, 1 minus 3 would be negative, x minus 4 would be negative. So 2 works, 1 works, and if 2 works and 1 works, everything in between up until minus 7 will work. So 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, so forth will work. Minus 7 would give me 0, so that will also work. These many terms will work. What happens at minus 8? At minus 8, I will get minus 1, minus 10, whole thing by minus 8 I'm looking at, so it will be minus 11 into minus 12. So this entire thing will turn into positive, so I can't go in this range. Let's look at the range on the right hand side of 4, right hand side, so 5. I will get 12 into 3 by 2 into 1. So this would also be positive, so this is also not acceptable. The only acceptable range is minus 7 to 2. There are 10 such values. So the answer to this question will be 10.